Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Caps and Songs. Today I am going to be testing Emma Goody's chocolate muffin recipe and make it a little different by adding my homemade strawberry jam in it. Hope you have seen the recipe of this jam. If not, check the description box down below. So let's start and see how the muffins will turn out. Line your cupcake tray and keep it aside. Now we will make buttermilk. For that you will need half cup plus 2 tablespoons of milk, and you need to add 1.5 teaspoon of vinegar in it. You can even use store-bought buttermilk. Now give it a stir and keep it aside for 10 minutes. Now in a large bowl we will start sifting our dry ingredients. 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. To measure 3/4, you will need half cup plus 1/4 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, half teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. If you will not use salted butter, then add a pinch of salt in it and sift all your dry ingredients. Give it a quick mix. Now add half cup of brown sugar. I have pulsed my brown sugar a few times so it combines easily in my batter afterwards. You can even use caster sugar or fine sugar. Now keep your dry ingredients to a side. Now we need half of an egg because I am only making 6 muffins. So for this you have to whisk your egg and divide it into half. And then we will add this to our dry ingredients with rest of our wet ingredients. Now keep it aside. Bring back your dry ingredients and add 1/4 cup plus half tablespoon of melted butter. I am using salted butter. Now add half of an egg. Add buttermilk that we have made earlier. Now gently fold or whisk your dry ingredients with wet ingredients until you get a smooth batter. Don't overmix or it will result in dense muffins. Scrape using a spatula to make sure even mixing. Now fill your cupcake tray lined with cupcake liners halfway through from the batter using an ice cream scoop or a spoon. Now we will add our homemade strawberry jam. You can add as much you like. I am adding 1 teaspoon in all of them. I just added a little more because it tastes great. Now fill your cupcake liners to the top with your leftover batter. Give them a tap to remove air bubbles and then we will bake it. Now we will preheat our oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes and bake our muffins for 10 minutes. Some of my chocolate muffin batter was left, so I am going to bake this in my microwave and let's see how it turned out. I have put 3 cupcake liners. Firstly, I am baking it for 30 seconds and then see what happens. After microwaving for 1 minute more, it is done. Let's see how the texture of this muffin has turned out. The cupcake is a little rubbery because we have baked it in a microwave and it was containing egg, so it turned out a little rubbery, but it wasn't that bad to eat. If you want, you can bake your muffin in a microwave, but it will turn out a little rubbery. Now after baking your cupcake for 10 minutes at 200 degrees, lower it down to 180 degrees and bake it for 15 to 20 minutes. After baking it for 20 minutes, our muffins are ready and we will let it cool completely. After cooling, I will refrigerate my muffins for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I have taken out my muffins and now I will decorate it with some melted milk chocolate. This step is optional. Lastly, I will add some rainbow sprinkles on top. Now I will again refrigerate them for 5 to 10 minutes. Now we will taste our beautiful chocolate muffin that we had tried from Emma Goody's recipe and made it a little different by adding strawberry jam in it. The muffin is looking very soft, moist and fluffy. So let's try it. Super soft and moist chocolate muffin goes very well with my strawberry jam. I would say the chocolate muffin is perfect and it is a lot better with my strawberry jam in it. Emma's chocolate muffin recipe is super delicious and tasty, so do try it once. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and turn on your notification bell. And do try this recipe once.